Welcome to Guide Guru. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will show how to play Super Mario Galaxy theme on piano, easy method. Start by isolating the melody and play it with your right hand slowly and clearly so your ear can memorize each phrase. Use your left hand to outline the harmony with basic bass notes and occasional fifths to support the tune. Practice short 2-bar loops, repeat them until smooth, then link sections together for a flowing performance. Start by mapping the chord progression under the melody and play block chords on beats 1 and 3 to feel the harmony. Swap to first inversion when it helps your hands move smoothly and avoid large jumps. When changes become comfortable, introduce gentle arpeggios or broken chords to mimic the orchestral texture while keeping dynamics light. Keep practicing with a metronome and slowly increase tempo only when you stay relaxed and accurate. Focus on the waltz-like sway and subtle syncopations that give the piece its charm, using a gentle pulse to guide each phrase. Practice counting aloud or tapping your foot on every beat to lock the rhythm before attempting both hands together. Emphasize melodic notes, slightly louder than accompaniment, and allow small pauses where the music breathes. Gradually combine hands at a slow tempo and prioritize relaxed motion to avoid tension while.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.